In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add infinite scroll to the Shopify Dawn theme. Infinite scroll automatically loads more products as your visitors scroll down, instead of making them click through numbered pages. It creates a smoother shopping experience and can help customers discover more of your catalog without extra effort. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside your Shopify admin and theme code editor, so follow along carefully. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This is where all of your themes and storefront settings live. Make sure you're working on the correct theme, usually your live theme or a duplicate if you prefer to test changes first. Next, on your current theme, click the three dots next to the Customize or Edit button. In that drop-down, choose Edit Code. This opens the theme code editor, where we'll be adding a new snippet and updating your collection grid. On the left sidebar, find the snippets folder and click it to expand. Then click the icon to add a new snippet file. When prompted to name it, type Infinite Scroll Liquid. Keep the name exactly the same as instructed so the code from the document will work properly. Now, go to the document linked in the video description and copy the first block of code provided there. This code handles the logic for loading more products as the user scrolls. Once you've copied it, return to the Shopify code editor. Make sure you're inside the new Infinite Scroll Liquid file, paste the code in, and click Save. Next, we'll connect this snippet to your product grid. In the left sidebar, open the Sections folder. Look for the file called Main Collection Product Grid, Liquid, and click it. This file controls how products display on your collection pages. To quickly find the right spot, use your keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or Command plus F on Mac. In the search box that appears, type if paginate.pages. The editor will jump to the pagination code block. Highlight everything from +% if paginate pages 1 to %, all the way down to the matching %, ndif%, and delete that entire block. That's the old numbered pagination we're replacing. Now, go back to the document in the description and copy the last block of code provided there. Return to Main Collection Product Grid, Liquid, and paste that new code exactly where the old pagination block was. Finally, click Save. At this point, your Dawn theme should use infinite scroll on collection pages. Visit a collection on your storefront, scroll down, and you should see more products